Hi students, welcome to online classes for intermediate first year English medium students. Students, we are discussing the first unit. It is the introduction lesson. In the introduction lesson, so many topics were completed by the previous classes, and today we are going to analyze the circular flow of income. What is the circular flow of income? What is income and what is wealth? And what is the circular flow of income in between two sectors, which means households and farms. So this is the discussing topic today video. Let me say one by one here. See here, circular flow of income. What is the circular flow of income? First of all, here income is a flow, wealth, whereas wealth is a stock. In every economy, income flows from households to farm and vice versa. Thus, the factor market and the production market are closely related to each other. So, this process of circular flow of income makes to understand that income flows from households to farm and farms to households. Simple. For example, let me explain what is the income and what is the wealth. What is the difference in between wealth and income? For example, when you are going to participate in the economic activities to get some income. For example, after getting the participation of economic activities for month, for example, for month you have getting 10,000 rupees. How much income you have to get? 10,000 rupees. For example, you getting 10,000 rupees. So the out of 10,000 you will expenditure the whole month, the little bit 10,000 expenditure. Then the next month will also you get the 10,000 rupees and it will be expenditure. And the next month will also you can get 10,000 rupees. It will be expenditure. Means income you can get after expenditure. Then it will be again and again you get income and expenditure. This is a flow. Flow means up to until death. You get income and expenditure. Income and expenditure. It is a flow. So income is flow. Income is a flow. Whereas wealth is the stock. For example, if you have 2 acres of land, 2 acres of land, can you sell after 1 month and you can buy after 1 month? Within the 1 month, for example, within the 1 month, 2 acres of land can you sell? And next month you can buy the 2 acres of land and can you sell and buy? Why? Because it is a stock. The 10,000 rupees you can earn and expenditure. Simple. 10,000 rupees you can earn and expenditure. Assets, lands, buildings, equipments, jewelries, gold. For example, you having the 1 kg of gold. 1 kg gold, can you sell? No. You can sell after you purchase the 1 kg of gold? Maybe. Is it? So that's why fixed are the assets. Wealth is called fixed. Income is called the flow. The flow we can earn and expenditure, but assets we can't sell and buy. We can't sell and buy. Can't sell and buy due to this fixed. Here we are discussing the income. Income is flow. The income is the flow. For example, I am one of the human beings, citizen. If you want to alive, or if you want to existence of our life, or if you want to satisfy our wants, we need some money. Simple. We need some money. So how can I get some money? By participating in the economic activities. If it is agriculture, industrial, service sector, which sector I can go and work hard, get some income. After getting the income, I can satisfy my wants with the help of the money. You understand? Means income, after getting the income, the person who got the money of the person, he can satisfy the wants by purchasing the who satisfy our wants? Goods and services. Goods and services satisfy our wants. That's why we want to purchase the goods and services. We participate in economic activities to get some income. Isn't it? మనకు బతకాలంటే వస్తువులు కావాలి, సేవలు కావాలి. We need goods and services. మరి వస్తువులు సేవలు కావాలి అంటే ఎలా వస్తాయి? డబ్బుతో వస్తాయి. మరి ఆ డబ్బు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? బై పార్టిసిపేటింగ్ ద ఎకనామిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్. Isn't it? So that's why the income. Try to understand. Income. Any person, he get income by participating in the economic activities. Simple. Here, this is the households. Households having the income. How can they get the income? By participating in the economic activities. Simple. కొంత పని చేశారు, డబ్బులు వచ్చాయండి అనుకుందాం. Then to want to what do we say, to satisfy our wants, the households are need to purchase the goods and services. To satisfy the wants of households, they purchase the goods and services. Without goods and services, no one can satisfy their wants. It is a compulsory, must and should, goods and services must and should to satisfy our wants. To satisfy our wants, we need to goods and services. So to need the goods and services, we purchase the goods and services. Here, households go to the farms. Why? To purchase the goods and services. Try to understand. Households, if they wants to satisfy the human wants, they go and purchase the goods and services. When they purchase the goods and services, the household's income goes to the farms. For example, I am one of the consumer or the citizen. I have 1000 rupees. Simple. To satisfy our wants, I want to purchase the goods and services. So after getting the income, I am go to the farm. Why? To purchase the goods and services. The farms can produce the goods and services. It is a capability to produce the goods and services. So that's why we are going to purchase the farms to purchase the goods and services. So when I having the 1000 rupees, it is goes to the farms to purchase the goods and services. I am getting 1000 rupees. The 1000 rupees reached to farms. Why? I purchase the goods and services. My income goes to the farms. Then means households income goes to farms. Then what happened to the farms? To produce the goods and services. Try to understand. To produce the goods and services, the farms needs two factors of productions. To produce the goods and services, land is required, labor is needed, and capital is there, and organization is there. To 4 factors of productions to need the produce the goods and services. To produce the goods and services, the factors of productions are having it households. Due to the farms are go to the households to purchase the factors of production. So which having the factors of productions in the households. Due to the 1000 rupees goes to the households. So the income is reached to households. First of all, the households having the income. The income is reached to the farms by purchasing the goods and services. So the goods and services to be need to produce, they should be want the factors of production. The farms income goes to the households. Then again, they want to purchase the goods and services. Then the income goes to the farms. And again, and again, and again, again, and again, and again, the income will be circular flow of income. The income, circular flow of income in between 2 sectors, which means households and farms. మీకు అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్తాను. ఇంకా ఇతని దగ్గర డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి, వాళ్ళు పని చేసి డబ్బు సంపాదించుకున్నారు. మరి సంపాదించుకుంటే డబ్బు, మరి కోరికలు తీర్చుకోవాలంటే వస్తువులు కావాలిగా, గూడ్స్ కావాలి కదా. గూడ్స్ ఎవరు తయారు చేస్తారు? ఫార్మ్స్. దర్ ఇస్ ఎ కేపబిలిటీ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ద గూడ్స్. వీళ్ళు గూడ్స్ తయారు చేస్తారు, వీళ్ళ దగ్గర గూడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. గూడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వీళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి? తమ డబ్బుతో గూడ్స్ని పర్చేజ్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, ఇటు నుంచి వెళ్తుంది. గూడ్స్ని పర్చేజ్ చేయాలి. అంటే వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న సపోజ్ డబ్బు 1000 అనుకుందాం. ఈ 1000 రూపీస్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? ఫర్మ్స్కి వెళ్తుంది. ఎందుకు? గూడ్స్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్ వీళ్ళు కొన్నారు కాబట్టి. ఓకే, గూడ్స్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్ కొంటే ఇక్కడ డబ్బులు వీరికి వచ్చాయి. మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి? గూడ్స్ ప్రొడక్షన్ చెయ్యాలంటే మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న డబ్బులు వీళ్ళ దగ్గరికి పోతాయి. ఎందుకు? లేబర్ కావాలి కదా, క్యాపిటల్ కావాలి, అంటే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. సో ద ఫర్మ్స్ ఇన్కమ్ ఈజ్ ఫ్లో టు హౌస్ హోల్డ్స్. వీళ్ళు కొనాలి కాబట్టి హౌస్ హోల్డ్స్ని, వాళ్ళు ఉన్న ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ కొనాలి కాబట్టి ఈ డబ్బు మొత్తం మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళకి వెళ్తాయి. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఏం చేస్తారు? మళ్ళీ గూడ్స్ కావాలి కదా, మళ్ళీ కొంటారు. మళ్ళీ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ కావాలి కదా, మళ్ళీ 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 అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ సర్క్యులర్ circular flow of income. Okay, so this is the circular flow of income. So goods and services, here factors of productions, so here wage, rent, interest and profit. Okay, so these are all in the households. టు వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య ఇది ఒక చక్ర మాదిరిగా తిరుగుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ సర్క్యులర్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్. Okay, so this is a brief information. Only we discussed in the two sectors. The income is flow in between only the two sectors. 3 sector is there, 4 sector is there, 5 sectors is there. But in your intermediate first year subject, only 2 sectors are there. So this is the flow. Not only one day, not only 1 month, not only 1 year, but continuously. The income is flow from households to farms, farms to households, households to farm. The income is flow, means circle flow of income. Okay, so this is the information of circular flow of income. So students, this is the circular flow of income. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, తర్వాత కొత్త వాళ్ళైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.